Hello, I'm Joshua Rappaport, the broker at REMAX Romántica. I've been helping foreign buyers call Vallarta home for over 20 years now. Here we are in Avalon 806, one of the most desirable buildings in all of Puerto Vallarta. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen at 806, and I just want to point out a few things which are why Avalon is so special. First of all, you can see how big the kitchen is. Probably 4 people can comfortably be cooking in here. Not every unit in Avalon has this window on the kitchen side. So obviously, you're doing your dishes, you get a spectacular jungle view, but it also gives so much light to the back end of the apartment, which is really quite important. These are the original cabinetry from Avalon, so you can see how well things have maintained over the years. This here is a flex room. The owners currently have it set up as a TV room, and the owners put in these pocket doors here, which allow you obviously to close off this space. Like I said, they have it set up as a TV room, but you could set it up as an office. You could set it up even as a 3rd bedroom if you wanted to. And that's where the Jack and Jill bathroom comes into play, because if this was a bedroom, then their bathroom access would be through the bathroom we just walked through. So welcome to this spectacular master bedroom. It's obviously a very big space, very comfortable space. I don't think we're gonna do justice on the camera, but we have this absolutely beautiful view of the romantic zone, the ocean. Obviously, it's really it's breathtaking up here. And then we have our own private pool on the balcony here, which is really quite dramatic. You can just see how good quality things are, that they've lasted this way for 20 years. We have the walk-in closet over here. So welcome home. I am here at what they call the White Pool at Avalon. So this is the pool on the South Tower. And I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it's absolutely beautiful over here. Ocean view, very quiet, except for me talking. For those of you who don't know, so at Avalon, we have 2 pools. We have the pool that corresponds to the South Tower, which is where I am now, the White Pool. And then we have the pool at the North Tower, which is the Green Pool. No matter which tower you live in, you are able to use the pool of the other tower. Other amenities that we have at Avalon is we have a spectacular gym, which you're going to see later on in the video. You have a very luxurious lobby. You have this kind of common area, seating area that can be used if you're going to have a party or something like that as well. We have 88 units in total between the 2 towers, and yeah, we're divided between the North Tower and the South Tower. Oh, and the units will come, most of them have 1 parking space, and maybe some of the penthouses or fused units, two units in one, they might have 2 parking spaces. so welcome to the street entrance of Avalon. So if you were to take an Uber, it would drop you off. You'd walk up the ramp, and then from the ramp, you would go, and that's the lobby. And then from the lobby, you'd go to the elevators, and that's the gym. In another video, that's like the seating area where you switch elevators. These are the parking spaces. And then up here is the white pool. That's the South Tower. And then you can see that's the North Tower there. Sorry. And then over here would be the green pool that corresponds to the South Tower. So it's like a really quiet jungle setting up here. It's private, it's exclusive, it's really beautiful. So welcome to Avalon. Thank you very much for coming with us on this beautiful tour to Avalon 806. I couldn't think of a better place to say goodbye to this tour, to end this tour. This is a beautiful pool. We're at the white pool with a spectacular view. If you have any questions about this unit or other units here in Amapas, feel free to reach out.